Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how age verification works on TikTok. TikTok does not provide a direct verify age option in the settings. Instead, age verification happens only when your account is restricted or TikTok detects a possible age issue. Verifying your age helps restore access to age-restricted features. These include comments, live streaming, or certain content. To get started, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Help Center option. Tap on Chat with Us. Select the option that says, I want to update my birth date. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by TikTok. In some cases, you may be asked to submit a government-issued ID. TikTok will review your submission, which may take a few days. Once approved, your age status will be updated and restricted features will be restored if you meet the age requirement. That's it. You've learned how TikTok age verification works through account restrictions and appeals. You also learned how to submit official identification when required. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelftStack tutorial videos.